Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nico here, and in today's video, everybody. Now, I'm sorry in advance, everybody. The wind is pretty crazy up here. I'm on top of a parking garage, so I really do apologize for the wind. Hopefully, you guys can still hear me in post and edit. I'll go ahead and turn up the volume if I have to, try to get rid of the wind noise. But anyway, everybody, in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna be showing you around my 2018 BMW 340. I'm gonna show you what I like about it so far, what I hate about it, and I can give you guys a hint right now. There's not really that much on my hate list for this car. Like I said, everybody, there's not that much I really hate about the car, but I'll go ahead and get into what I really love about the car first. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is that pure idle, and this is stock. Yes, as you guys can see, it has that performance exhaust, but it came with that performance power kit, and it sounds absolutely insane stock. Yes, everybody, that is what this car sounds like stock. It is absolutely insane. And I mean, literally, exhaust-wise, if I really didn't want to, I really didn't have to do anything to the exhaust. I'm still obviously going to get a catalyst downpipe just for the performance factor, so it will get louder, obviously. But other than that, I'm not going to do no muffler delete, no resonator delete, because it has the valved catback exhaust from BMW M. So, I mean, stay quiet in comfort mode when I'm in the neighborhood. I can be as loud as I want in the streets. So everybody, from the exhaust, obviously you have our LCI taillights and headlights. This car is obviously 2018 340i, so it is the LCI version. Obviously, this is like the 335's big brother, if that makes sense, or you know, newer version. Actually, it would be younger brother technically. But as you guys can see, these headlights are absolutely insane. These daytime running lights. And also, I was kind of surprised with the fog lights. I thought BMW was going to cheap out low-key and have those be the yellow halogen type, like, you know, color. But I turned them on the other day, and they are white. They are white LEDs. So all the front headlights and fog lights are all white LEDs, which is absolutely insane. I also love the design of the headlight when, you know, the actual headlights are on, not just the daytime running lights. You have this little orange light that is on, and plus, obviously, your turn signals, they're up here instead of being on the side like they used to be with the 335s, 328is, like my old 328i. A lot of things also haven't changed on the F30 body style, though. Obviously, like here on your mirrors, your return signals here as well. And you know, the body style itself, the body shape also is really the same, obviously. Moving on next, everybody, I do apologize for how dirty the inside of my car is. I just been traveling a lot, and I've not had any time to clean the inside of my car, so I apologize. I obviously have the vacuum, all that stuff. But love the interior. You have the sports seats. These are absolutely comfortable as hell. My old 320i cannot be in that car for longer than an hour. This car I've driven for like 24 hours straight. Not literally, but like, you know, a good 8 hours each day, constantly, because I was going on trips and stuff. But also the interior, like I said, I really love this silver. I was gonna actually put carbon fiber wrap over this, or carbon fiber replacement piece, like I did with the 328i, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna keep it how it is. I love this blue. I love the accent, the whole, you know, spec of the interior of this car. Next, everybody, we have the wheels. Now, these wheels are definitely better than the stock F30 wheels. If you guys don't remember from my 328i before I got new wheels on that car, the stock wheels were just totally ugly. But these wheels, I mean, yeah, obviously they're still stock wheels. Look at them as like, ew, they're stock wheels. But I mean, hey, better than the actual normal F30 wheels. And as you can see, obviously, the M Performance logo, because these are M Performance style wheels. And also behind the wheel, you can see that big brake caliper, because obviously we do have the sport calipers, or sport brakes, if you can say that. Now, everybody, I have been getting a lot of questions on this, and this is not stock. This did not come with the car. I know, obviously, the 340s with the ZHP pack had, you know, a spoiler on the back, but no, actually I got that aftermarket. But really do recommend getting yourself a spoiler, whether if you want to get a high kick spoiler or kind of like a low profile spoiler like I have. It does change the whole look of the car. Now I'll go ahead and give you guys a look at these headlights. As you can see, like I said, you have this little orange accent color here. You can see those white LEDs. Absolutely in love with this car. Now, finishing up most of the exterior before I get into the engine bay, as you guys can see, I also optioned out with the, well, besides the performance power, because I'm also gonna get the performance front bumper, rear bumper. So as you guys can see, definitely more aggressive, more curvy. I mean, just look at those curves. And once I get a diffuser on it, change the whole look of the car. And as you guys can see, also the front of the car too, the aggressive front bumper, absolutely in love with this bumper. It also came with the black kidney grills, which also is a must. I mean, obviously, as you guys can see, it's still a single slit, which I would obviously eventually upgrade to the carbon fiber double slit, or just another black double slit. But at least it's one of those things I don't have to like, ew, it's ugly, get out of my face. Like one of the first mods I have to do, because it already came with the black grills. Now, we all been waiting for the view of that beautiful B58 engine. There it is, guys. See, obviously, the M-Performance Power Kit, twin power turbo, the twin scroll turbo. Absolutely crazy. Modern day 2JZ right in front of your guys' eyes right here. The downpipe tune, and they're already making close to 450 or even higher than that wheel horsepower. Last thing on the exterior before I move into the interiors, I don't know if you guys can really see it that well, but with the also the M-Performance front bumper and rear bumper, they also get these more aggressive side skirts. It's kind of hard to tell on this side because the sun is not facing this way. I'll move over here, see if you're able to see it. Might be able to see a little bit more, but it's definitely a more aggressive style side skirt than comes stock with the stock F30. Alright, moving to the interior, you can see right here these door panels. You have the M logo, which is also a really nice touch, which I love so much. And also down there, as you can see, there is also another M logo, which is also awesome. There's also an M logo on the steering wheel because this is an M Performance steering wheel, which is a lot of M logos all over this car, which is pretty nice for not even being an M car. But obviously, first thing in your face, the dash, you guys can go ahead and see that is pretty much the same as every other F30 previous to this. There's nothing really different. I mean, it is a sport model, so obviously you have the red line, but I mean, other than that, it's pretty much the same. Nothing different really here, but over here on the iDrive, obviously you can see I have a rear view camera, and obviously you can control that with pushing this button, goes away. I have Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. Also, the new iDrive, completely different car compared to my previous 328i F30. Also, you guys can see over here we have the Harman Kardon stereo system, and it sounds amazing. Like literally, when I showed my girlfriend it compared to my last car, she was like in awe. Like she was like, oh my god, like she loves blasting music, she loves blasting her Taylor Swift, you know what I mean? And she just absolutely was in love with the stereo system, and I am as well. As you can see over here, obviously the updated AC control unit. Obviously before it was red, kind of like a nasty color, but during the day it is white now, and at night it does go to red, but it's nice that it's LED, so it's able to change color like that. Like I said, you have this blue strip, silver, kind of like, I don't know what the exact name for it is called, but it's like a nice silver kind of textured look. Absolutely love the interior of this car. And then for the back seats, I mean, they are black. Obviously the rest of the interior is black, so I mean, obviously it'd be black, but I mean, it's pretty much the same as like my previous F30, but still, I mean, I just love the new color of the car. It changes up because I hated the beige in my 328i F30. But everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and head out of this parking garage, and maybe I'll get some pulls for you guys on film. You guys will be able to see how fast this car pulls stock. Brakes feel so nice. Like, this is obviously a small parking garage, and I just did a pull to about 30 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. Driving experience is just outrageous. I absolutely love it. If you guys could get 340, I would definitely recommend it. Holy shit, a BMW driver using his turn signal? Damn. Now, but it's not gonna be a dead stop pull. I'm doing a rolling at about 10 miles per hour. Go ahead and hit it for a second. As you guys can see, just absolutely insane the acceleration on this B58 power plant car. The burbles are absolutely stupid on this car. Another interior piece I forgot to mention, I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but the heads-up display makes a huge difference. I'm so in love with this car. That's that's gonna be it for today's video. Again, I'm so sorry about the wind at the top of the parking garage. I know obviously it sucked. I mean, I pretty much finished editing the video that you guys are watching right now. I just forgot to film the outro, so I'm filming it now. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you go ahead and let me know what you think about the 340i down below. Me personally, I've owned this car for about a month and a half now. Absolutely love the car. It is insane. I mean, I have so much projects coming for it. I hope you guys are excited for it. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you go please subscribe with the post notifications on so you guys know whenever I upload new content about the 340i. Also, but if you haven't yet, make sure you go follow my TikTok, Instagram. I post so much content over there, and it's obviously easier to go ahead and post daily content over there because I mean, it's Instagram and TikTok. You don't need to edit a whole video like you do for a YouTube video. But everybody, like I said, hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.